What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a Jersey Club template in Ableton Live 11. Now before we start, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. Now the sounds I'll be using is directly from the Jersey Club Essential Drum Kit, and I loaded up a song, and the song's by Ivy called Loaded. It's off of his new album called Ivy 2, and it's produced and engineered by me. And I'm gonna play you the song, and I'll show you why we have it here.
Pull up dirty soda, no, I'm trapping in a mansion. Pull up Motorola, tell that little bitch that I'm trapping. I am her lifesaver, yeah, like Baby Yoda. My niggas cook baking soda, cook it up like Breaking Bad. Turn her over, break her back. Just know my glizzy loaded, my pockets are really loaded. My niggas never folded, coming through like VIP. I get this bet, I never sleep. Hope they don't talk down on me, hoping they not talking down on me. My pockets ain't loaded, it feels like I'm floating. I count these bands, okay, I know that you in a jam, okay. I'ma keep counting these bands today. Ratchet Steve, right up on me, disrespect me, bet I whack a bitch. I put bands all on his head and now I'm racking shit. Counting bands, Louis V, I'm the man like who is he? Bitch be quiet like when I speak, no it's sitting when I speak. I got demons on my shoulder, demons watching over me.
Now, I have this song right here. It's because we're gonna remix it. We're gonna bring it into the Jersey Club format, and then we're gonna delete it. So we're not gonna spend too much time on chopping and stuff like that. We're just gonna use this as our template, and we're gonna build the actual template on top of this. So we're gonna go and do what we normally do, find the BPM.
Pull up dirty soda, no, I'm trapping in a mansion. Pull up Motorola, tell that little bitch that I'm trapping. I am her lifesaver, yeah, like Baby Yoda. Pull up dirty soda, no, I'm trapping in a mansion. Pull up
Now I'm gonna bring in the EQ. And the reason why we're doing the EQ and stuff is we're gonna delete the chops, but we're gonna keep the effects needed. And the reason why we do that is, if you want to remix a song, you don't want to go through the steps of having to re-EQ, doing all the extra stuff. Like, it will already be there. That's why we're making a template. So I'll continue EQing. Now, just a reminder, all songs are different, so you may have to adjust the EQ, but having the EQ there in the first place will make your job easier. So now that we made some chops, I'm gonna start adding some elements into it, like the reverb. Start adding the Jersey Club elements such as the effects, the perks, and chants. I took the song that we have over here, and I used the sounds from the Jersey Club Essential Drum Kit to make this. And I'm gonna break down each sound. So the first one, we have the finger snaps. And then the second one, we have the scratches. And then we have the drill 'em bongos. We have the 808, nightclub 808. I automated the Fat Drum Studio. It's a type of reverb. So it sounds like this. You can see I automate the dryness and wetness. So it starts off 100% wet. At the 5th bar, it goes dry. So it sounds like this. And I just changed the pitch over here. And I just chopped up the beginning. I didn't do anything crazy. So but it sounds like this. Nothing crazy at all. And then over here, I have 3 famous hays. And it sounds like this. And the other one sounds like this. And I'll zoom in here so you can see what I did. I just, chopped it and I just lowered every other one. And over here we have another hay. It's just lowered. And we have the whips. And then I have the A's. It didn't have the Jersey Club drum loop. And over here we have the Madness hi-hat loop. And down here we have the chant Haas. And we have another Madness hi-hat loop, but I made it a little different, added some effects. If you want the same rack that I made, comment below. And all together, it sounds like this. I'll continue, I'll make it all the way to a minute and then we will be done. So I'm gonna duplicate these a couple times. But I'm gonna make each one different. Okay, so I made the structure and each one of them is now different. But now I, tweaked each and one of them, and now I'll play you from the top and show you, let you see how different they are. And that's it. Now, this is just a template, so what we're now going to do is save it. And I'm going to save as template. And I'm going to call this Jersey Club template, right? And now I'm gonna just double click it. And voila. And now, as you see, it's called Untitled now. So now we can add our samples, you can add your melodies, you can do whatever you want. That's it for today's tutorial. I'm gonna leave this exact project file in the comment section below so you can go download it and go crazy with it. And I'll see you in the next one.